Hello guys, I previously showed you a procedure on how to jailbreak an iPhone. As you can see, I have an iPhone 6 here. It's activation lock. I'm going to show you the quickest way to jailbreak it and bypass. Actually, this phone is already jailbroken from the previous video, so I'm going to show you the best way to unlock the activation lock. So first of all, close your iTunes. As you can see here, the phone is not activated, but it's jailbroken. So the first thing you need to do is to install this software. I've given the procedure of installation in the previous video. Okay. This is the application. So run as admin. You're going to click on this button, this tab, I mean. Click start. And for those who have tried jailbreaking, they have noticed that after jailbreak there is no service. So I'm going to show you the best method I used where I was able to get service after. Okay. During this process, the phone will boot several times. As you can see, that's the first boot. This is what I was doing. Whenever it booted, whenever it booted, and for like for more than 5 seconds, I always press this home, select a country. Keep repeating the process and always check if it will always disappoint you at some point, but keep on repeating till remember to remove your SIM card and not connect to Wi-Fi. It's still there now. We are waiting for the next button here, so always be waiting for that button, probably in our next boot. Remember, I'm not connected to Wi-Fi or cellular network. As you can see, it's it's almost there. Always remember to be careful not to eject your lightning cable. And at this point, I think we're almost there. Let's see. There you go. You can see the next button comes, but I'm not connected to Wi-Fi. Let's see. What's next? Continue. Continue. Later. Can I use that? Don't passcode. Don't transfer. Agree. What now? Later. Continue. Yeah, as you can see, I'm at home. Yeah, and it's not in airplane mode. Most of these bypass, by this time it always shows no service or airplane mode. So as you can see, there goes the trick. All the best trying to, if it fails, always repeat the process till your turn comes. Bye, see you next time. Here goes my new phone. You can see it can detect SIM card. Let me show you how. Sorry, I'm going to use toothpick. My bad. Jeez. Just a moment as I try to. Just a moment. Let's install our Simcard. Sorry about that. You can see SIM locked. Sorry. I think I have too much. There you go. Bye guys, see you next time.